Hello guys and welcome, and today we are going to do Microsoft's MS-900 practice test, and this is Microsoft 365 fundamentals. And no further ado, let's get into it. A company needs to protect their sensitive company data while allowing employees to collaborate on files. They want a solution that will ensure that only authorized users can access and edit the files. Which service should they use? Microsoft OneDrive for Business, Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft SharePoint Online, Microsoft PowerPoint B, or Microsoft Teams. And here the correct answer is Microsoft SharePoint Online, as SharePoint Online provides document management and collaboration features that allow teams to securely share and edit files, with built-in controls to restrict access based on user roles. And next question. A company is using Microsoft 365 and wants to implement a policy that requires all sensitive documents to be classified and labeled. Which should they use to implement this policy? Microsoft Teams, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Information Protection, Microsoft Defender for Identity, or SharePoint Online. And here the correct answer is Microsoft Information Protection, as Microsoft Information Protection helps organizations classify, label, and protect documents and emails based on their sensitivity. A company wants to automate the process of creating workflows that handle repetitive tasks such as approving documents or sending emails based on specific conditions. Which Microsoft 365 service should they use? Microsoft Planner, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Power Automate, Microsoft Power BI, or Microsoft Excel? And here the correct answer is Microsoft Power Automate, as Microsoft Power Automate enables users to automate repetitive tasks such as document approvals and notifications by creating workflows that integrate with various Microsoft 365 services. A business is using Microsoft 365 and needs to implement a solution that will automatically detect threats across their environments, such as malware or phishing attacks. Which service should they use? Microsoft Defender for Office 365, Microsoft Intune, Microsoft Defender for Identity, Microsoft Azure AD Identity Protection, or Microsoft Sentinel. So which one would be the correct answer here? And here the correct answer is Microsoft Defender for Office 365, as Microsoft Defender for Office 365 is a security solution that provides protection against threats like phishing, malware, and other types of cyber attacks, helping to secure the Office 365 environment. And next question. A company has employees working in multiple locations and needs a way to store and share documents that everyone can access. Which Microsoft 365 service would help meet this need? Microsoft OneNote, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft PowerPoint, SharePoint Online, or Microsoft Planner? And here the correct answer would be SharePoint Online, as SharePoint Online is document management and collaboration tools that allows teams to securely store and share documents, making it ideal for businesses with employees in different locations. And next question. A company is looking to implement a solution to help prevent users from accidentally sharing sensitive files, such as financial reports, with external people. What feature should they use? Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Data Loss Prevention or DLP, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft OneDrive, or Microsoft Exchange? And here the correct answer is Microsoft Data Loss Prevention or DLP, As data loss prevention, all DLP policies can automatically detect and prevent sensitive data from being shared with unauthorized people, ensuring that data is protected. A company wants to ensure that all users' devices, including smartphones, are protected against unauthorized access and data loss. What service should they implement to manage and secure these devices? Microsoft Intune, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, Microsoft Power BI, or Microsoft OneDrive. And by the way guys, if you are interested in more of these types of videos on different Microsoft, CompTIA and Cisco certifications, go to the channel's homepage and there you will find much more videos. And what would be the correct answer here? And here's the correct answer is Microsoft Intune. As Microsoft Intune allows businesses to manage and secure mobile devices, ensuring that they comply with security policies and reducing the risk of data breaches. A team is working on a project and needs centralized platform for task management, collaboration and file sharing. They want to be able to track task progress and assign tasks to team members. Which Microsoft 365 service should they use? SharePoint Online, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Planner, Microsoft Outlook, or OneDrive for Business. And here's the correct answer is Microsoft Planner. As Microsoft Planner is a task management tool that helps teams organize, assign and track tasks, providing centralized location for managing team projects. And next question, a company needs to ensure that all sensitive emails and documents are encrypted and can only be accessed by authorized users. Which Microsoft 365 service should they use? Microsoft Intune, Exchange Online, Microsoft Teams, Azure Information Protection, or Microsoft Defender for Identity. And here's the correct answer is Azure Information Protection. As Azure Information Protection helps protect sensitive information by encrypting data and enforcing usage restrictions, ensuring that only authorized users can access it. And next question, a company wants to ensure their users can only access Microsoft 365 apps and services when they are connected to the company's secure network. What security feature should they implement? Conditional access, multi-factor authentication, Microsoft Defender, Microsoft Sentinel, or Microsoft Azure AD Identity Protection. And here's the correct answer would be conditional access. As conditional access allows businesses to enforce security policies by requiring users to meet certain conditions, such as being connected to a secure network, before granting access to Microsoft 365 apps. An employee needs to store files in the cloud and collaborate with other team members in real time. They also need to be able to access their files from anywhere, including mobile devices. Which Microsoft 365 service should they use? Microsoft Teams, SharePoint Online, Power BI, OneDrive for Business, or Microsoft Exchange. And here correct answer is OneDrive for Business. As OneDrive for Business is cloud-based storage that allows users to store and access files from any device, share files and collaborate with others in real time. And next question. An organization is migrating from a legacy email system to Microsoft 365. The IT department wants to ensure that users can access their previous emails in Microsoft Outlook after migration is completed. Which service should they use? Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Teams, SharePoint Online, Exchange Online, or OneDrive for Business. And here the correct answer is Exchange Online. As Exchange Online is Microsoft 365 cloud-based email service that allows users to access their emails, calendars and contacts from anywhere, even after migrating from a legacy system. A company wants to ensure that they meet legal compliance requirements by tracking how their sensitive data is used and accessed across Microsoft 365 apps. They need a solution that can help them monitor and manage compliance. What should they use? Microsoft Defender for Identity, Microsoft 365 Defender, Microsoft Sentinel, Microsoft Compliance Manager, or Microsoft Azure AD Identity Protection. So which one should they use? And here the correct answer is Microsoft Compliance Manager. As Microsoft Compliance Manager helps organizations manage compliance by tracking their data usage and providing tools to access and improve their compliance posture with industry regulations. A team of employees need to work together on documents, share files, and have a centralized location to store documents. Which Microsoft 365 service would best meet their needs? Microsoft OneNote, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft PowerPoint, SharePoint Online, or Microsoft Planner? And here the correct answer would be SharePoint Online. As SharePoint Online is a collaboration and document management platform where teams can store, share and collaborate on files, making it ideal for teams that need to work together on documents. And next question, or question 15. A company wants to implement a policy that will automatically encrypt all sensitive emails that contain certain types of information, such as credit card numbers or social security numbers. What should they use? Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Azure Rights Management, or Microsoft Information Protection? And correct answer here would be Microsoft Information Protection, as Microsoft Information Protection allows organizations to classify, label, and protect data based on its sensitivity, including automatically encrypting emails that contain sensitive information. A company is concerned about the security of their devices, especially mobile devices, which employees use for work. They want a solution that will allow them to manage and secure these devices. Which Microsoft 365 service should they implement? Microsoft Teams, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Intune, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, or Microsoft SharePoint? And the correct answer would be Microsoft Intune, as Microsoft Intune is a mobile device management (MDM) and mobile application management (MAM) service that helps businesses manage and secure mobile devices and applications. A small business wants to create and share reports based on business data. The reports should be interactive and allow users to drill down into the data for more insights. Which tool in Microsoft 365 will help them create these reports? Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft OneNote, or Microsoft Outlook? And the correct answer here is Microsoft Power BI, as Microsoft Power BI is a business analytics tool that allows users to create interactive reports and dashboards, enabling them to visualize data and gain insights. An IT administrator is tasked with ensuring that sensitive company information in emails is protected from unauthorized access. They need to implement a solution that prevents emails containing certain keywords or attachments from being sent to unauthorized recipients. What should they use? Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft Intune, Microsoft Defender, Microsoft Sentinel, or Data Loss Prevention, or DLP. And here the correct answer is Data Loss Prevention, or DLP. As Data Loss Prevention, DLP, policies in Microsoft 365 helps prevent sensitive information from being shared inappropriately, ensuring that emails containing sensitive data are protected. An organization needs to provide its remote employees with secure access to their desktops and applications. They want a cloud-based solution without the need for an on-premises infrastructure. Which service should they implement? Azure Virtual Desktop, Office 365, Windows 365, Microsoft Intune, or OneDrive for Business. And here the correct answer would be Windows 365. As Windows 365 provides cloud-based PCs that users can access from anywhere with an internet connection, offering an easy way to give remote workers access to their desktop environments without on-premises hardware. And next question. A company is expanding and needs a tool for employees to collaborate on documents and manage team discussions. They also want to hold video meetings. Which Microsoft 365 service should they use? Microsoft Word, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Planner, Microsoft Teams, or Microsoft SharePoint. And the correct answer here is Microsoft Teams. As Microsoft Teams offers chat, video conferencing, file sharing, and collaboration on documents, making it the ideal solution for team collaboration and communication. And this is it, and we passed this another test, guys, and hope that you found this video useful. And like I mentioned earlier on, if you are interested in more of these types of tests, go to the channel's homepage where you will find more videos on these types of tests. And if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.